Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope that you are all fine and safe at home. I am Satyamurthy from Bharathidhasanar Matric Secondary School, Arakkonam. I am very happy to meet you in this video session. Today we are going to start 11th Business Max, first chapter, that is Matrices and Determinant. So this is general form of the matrix. In the matrix, there are some rows and vertical columns. Listen to yes, this is general form of the matrix. This is called columns. The horizontal arrangement of the numbers is called row. Listen. So what is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of the numbers in horizontal lines, that is horizontal rows, and vertical lines, that is vertical columns. Listen to yes, matrix is nothing but that is rectangular arrangement of the numbers in horizontal rows and vertical column. So which is denoted or represented by the open bracket and is closed bracket and double bars. Second, determinant. What is determinant? Listen, to every square matrix A of order n, listen to yes, every square matrix of A of order n, we can associate a number called the determinant of the square matrix of A. Listen, the idea of the determinant was originated from the Japanese mathematician Sekikowa. He is the person Sekikowa, while he was systemizing the old Chinese method of solving the simultaneous equations whose coefficient represents number of bamboos and sticks. Later, German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz formally developed the determinant. Now we are using the present vertical notations was given by Arthur Cayley in 1841. Listen. So order of the matrix, what is order of the matrix? That is nothing but if a matrix A has m rows and n columns. Listen. So number of rows and number of columns are noted by m by n. Listen to this. How can you read this? This is m by n. So m represents the rows, n represents columns. So this is order of the matrix. Listen, row matrix. Listen to this. A matrix having only one row, which is called a row matrix. Listen, a matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. Listen, you can see here, for example, A matrix equal, there are two elements, they are arranged in horizontal line, that is called row matrix. Listen, column matrix. A matrix having only one column, that is vertical arrangement, which is called column matrix. Listen, for example, the column matrix is, listen, like this. Column matrix, for example, column matrix, listen to yes, the numbers arranged in vertical line, vertical arrangement. So this is called column matrix. Next, zero matrix or null matrix. Listen, if all the elements of a matrix are zero, then it is called zero elements. Listen, all the elements of the matrix are zero, then which is called zero matrix. It is denoted by 0. Listen, square matrix. If the number of rows and number of columns of a matrix are equal, then it is called a square matrix. So number of rows equal to number of columns, so which is called square matrix. Listen, triangular matrix. Listen, a square matrix whose elements above or below the main diagonal or zeros is called triangular matrix. There are two types. One is upper triangular matrix, another one is lower triangular matrix. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which all the elements other than main diagonal elements are zero. Listen, in a square matrix except leading diagonal or main diagonal, remaining values are zeros. So which is called diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix. Diagonal matrix with all diagonal elements are equal to k that is constant. It may be in the leading diagonal value should be the same value except 1. If you get 1, that is identity matrix. It may be 2, 2, 2, 2 in the diagonal matrix, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, it is going on. So, same elements in the leading diagonal, so which is called scalar matrix. For example, listen, the example, listen. 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. Listen to yes, now you can see here, so the leading diagonal values are same. If you get like this, which is called scalar matrix. Listen, so unit matrix or identity matrix. A scalar matrix having each diagonal elements equal to 1. Listen to this, a scalar matrix having each diagonal values or elements equal to 1 is called unit matrix or identity matrix. For example, listen. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So, this is called identity or unit matrix because its leading diagonals have unit value. Unit means that is 1. Second, equality of matrix. Listen, equality. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they should satisfy two conditions. First one is they have the same order. Listen, the both A and the B matrix should have same order and their corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equals. If you say equal matrix or equality of matrix, there are two conditions. First one is equal order and same corresponding elements are same. Listen, transpose of matrix. Very simple. Interchanging either rows into column or column into rows of a given matrix. So, which is called interchange of rows and column. So, which is called transpose of matrix. Determinant. To every square matrix A of order n with entries or real or complex numbers, we can associate a number called determinant of matrix A. It is denoted by modulus of A. Listen to yes, this is modulus symbol or double bar or det. This is del value, del. So, which is denoted by the determinant and determinant of A. So, this is denoted in these three ways. First one is modulus of A, del, determinant of A. Second one is minor. So, what is minor? Let determinant of A be a determinant of order n. The minor of an arbitrary element Aij, listen, Aij is nothing but that is position of the value. Aij is the determinant obtained by the deleting the ith row and jth column. Listen to yes, determinant is obtained by deleting ith row and jth column. If is there A1, 2, we need to omit first row and second column. It represents the position of the value. Listen, after this ith row and jth column in which the element Aij stands, the minor of Aij is denoted by Mij. Listen, minor value always denoted by Mij. Cofactors. Cofactor is denoted in two ways. One is Cij or small aij. Cofactor matrix is denoted by capital Aij. For example, listen, A small aij. This I and j represents ith row and jth column, which is equal to, listen, minus 1 whole power I plus j, Mij. So, this is cofactor values. After this, Other use of matrix. Listen, first one is in geology, the matrices are used for taking seismic surveys. So matrices are used in representing the real world data, like the traits of people, population, habits, and so on. And third one, in robotics and automation, matrices are the base elements for the robot movements. The last one, matrices are used in many organizations, such as for scientists for recording the data for their experiments. Now we are going to start exercise number 1.1. Question number 1, find the minus and cofactor of all the elements of the following determinant. They given two subdivision. I am going to do the first subdivision. Listen, in the first subdivision they given 2 by 2 matrix. In the first row 5, 20, in the second row 0, minus 1. Listen, first I am going to find minus. So minus are denoted by Mij. First I am going to find minus. Listen to yes, minor, minus, which is denoted by Mij. Listen, the solution first minor. Listen, so minor of 5, that is denoted by M11. Listen, M11. This is, now we need to omit first row, first column. So remaining value is what? That is minor of this matrix. So limit first row and first column. So remaining minus 1 is there. So minor of 5 is minus 1. So minor of 20 is what? What is the position of the 20? M1, 2. Listen. So this is first row and the second column. We need to omit first row and second column. So first row, second column. What is the value? That is 0. Remaining value is what? 0. 0 is the minor of 20. Next minor value is what? M21. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. From this, we need to omit second row and first column. So remaining value is what? That is 20. So minor of 0 is 20. Next, minor of minus 1. That is position of minus 1 is what? 2, 2. Second row, second column. Now we need to omit second row, second column. That is what? So leave second row and second column. Remaining value is 5. Therefore, minor of minus 1 is plus 5. Now I am going to find cofactor. So cofactor is denoted by Aij or Cij. Now I am going to use Aij. So cofactors, listen to this. Cofactors denoted by Aij. In the first element A11. So first row, first column. So there is a formula, that is minus 1 whole power I plus j. Here I value is 1, j value is 1. So 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Listen to yes, 1 plus 1 into M11. So minus 1 whole power 2. If you get in its power even number, it will change as plus. If you get odd number in its power, it will change as minus. So we got 1 plus 1, that is 2, even number. So this minus will change as plus. So plus into M11 value is what? Minor value minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into plus what? Minus again should come. So minus 1. The second cofactor value is A12. Listen to yes, A12. From this I am going to find minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 into M12. Listen to yes, this is M12. From this minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2, that is what? That is odd number, 3. 3 is odd number. So again we will get negative sign. So minus into M12 value is what? Minor value of the position 1, 2, that is 0. So minus into 0 equal to 0, because that is neutral. Next, cofactor of A21, second row, first column, cofactor value. Listen, So again I am going to do minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 into m to 1. Listen, 2 plus 1 is what? 3. That is odd number. If you get odd number in its power, again you will get minus. So minus into m21 value is what? M21 value is 20. So 20. Finally, minus 20 is the cofactor value, minus 20. Next, A22, this is final value, cofactor of the second row, second column value, that is cofactor means again minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 into m22. Listen, 2 plus 2, that is what? That is 4. If it gets even number in its power, it will change as plus. So plus into m22 value is what? M22 already I have find, that is 5. So plus 5 is the cofactor of A22. Listen, plus 5. So the first 4 values are the minus. So minor of plus 5, that is m11 equal to minus 1. Minor of 20, that is the 20 place value is 1 2. That's why I denoted. So m12 equal to 0, because now if you want to find m12, we need to omit first row and second column. First row, second column, remaining value is what? That is 0. So that is 0. After this m21. So second row, first column we need to omit. So second row, first column. So we will get 20 is the remaining value. So 20 is the cofactor of minor of 0. Next, minor of minus 1. So minus 1, position of the minus 1 is, that is second row, second column, 2 2. So minor means we need to write m22, which is equal to 5, because we need to omit second row, second column. Remaining value is what? 5. So 5 is the answer here. So cofactors, that is very simple. Cofactor already we know that aij, which is equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j into mij. So same thing, a11 minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into m11. From this m11, that is minor value of first row, first column value. So minor value for first row, first column value is what? Minus 1. So in the minus 1 whole power 2, that is plus, because minus 1 whole square, plus and minus 1 minus 1. Again same thing, we will get the cofactor values. So in the first question they are asking minor and cofactor. The second subdivision, they given 3 by 3 matrix. In the first row there are 1 minus 3 2. The second row 4 minus 1 2. Third row 3 5 2. Listen, in the solution, first I am going to find the minor. Listen, so minor, that is denoted by mij. Listen, first m11, listen dears, m11, this is first row, first column, that is position of 1. I am going to find the minor of plus 1. Listen, very simple, which is equal to, we need to omit first row, first column. Remaining elements are what? Omit first row, first column, remaining element minus 1 2 5 2. From this I am going to determine this value. Listen, this is equal to 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. While we are taking cross multiply, we need to put minus. So 5 2s are 10 minus 10. So minus 2 minus 10, this is equal to minus 12. This is minor of plus 1. Next I am going to find minor of minus 3. That is position of first row, second column. From this m1 2, first row, second column. From this I am going to omit second row, first row, second column. What are the remaining elements? I am going to find the determinant of remaining elements. That is 4 2 3 2. Listen dears. So m12, we need to omit first row and second column. So first row, second column, remaining value is 4 2 3 2. From this I am going to determine this matrix. So 4 2s are 8 minus 3 2s are 6. So 8 minus 6, that is 2. So 2 is the cofactor of minus 3, sorry, minor of minus 3. Next, minor of plus 2 is what? That is position value is what? Position of plus 2 is m1 3. So first row, third column. We need to omit first row and third column. What are the remaining elements? Remaining elements from the first column 4, second row 4 minus 1, 3 plus 5. Now I am going to find this determinant value. Listen, 4 5s are 20. So minus should come while we are taking cross multiply. Already one minus is there. So minus to minus plus 3. 20 plus 3, that is 23. The next step, second row first element. Second row, that is 4. So minor of plus 4 is what? Minor of plus 4, m 2 1. Second row first column. Listen to this. So omit second row and first column. What are the remaining elements? So remaining elements are, listen, from this omit second row and first column. So second row and first column. Remaining elements minus 3, 2, 5, 2. So minus 3, 2, 5, 2. Minus 3, 2, 5, 2. So determine this value. Minus 6, minus 10. So this is equal to minus 16. Next, m22. Listen to this, m22. From second row, second column. I am going to omit second row and second column. Listen, second row, second column. What are the remaining elements? That is 1, 2 from the first row, and from third row 3, 2. 3, 2. So now I am going to find determinant. 1, 2 is 2 minus 3 2s are 6. So 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. Listen, m2 3, second row, third column. So omit completely second row and third column. What are the remaining elements? Second row, third column. Remaining elements from the first row 1 and minus 3. From the third row 3 and 5. So 1 minus 3 and 3 and 5. Listen, take cross multiply. 5 minus minus plus 9. So 5 plus 9, this is equal to 14. Next, m31. m31. Omit third row and first column. So third row, first column. So what are the remaining elements? From the first row minus 3, 2. From the second row minus 1, 2. So determine this matrix. Listen, minus 3 into 2 minus 6. So minus to minus plus 2. So minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4. Next, m32. Third row, second column. So omit third row and second column completely. Third row, second column. So remaining elements from the first row 1, 2. From the second row 4, 2. Listen. So 1, 2 is 2 minus 4 2s are 8. So 2 minus 8, that is minus 6. m33. So minor of the position 3, third row, third column, that is minor of plus 2. So omit third row and third column. Remaining elements what? From the first row 1 minus 3, from the second row 4 minus 1. Listen, from the first row 1 minus 3, from the second row 4 minus 1. So determinant of this matrix 1 into minus 1 minus 1. While we are taking minus, already one minus is there. So minus to minus plus 4 3s are plus 12. So 12 minus 1 plus 11. So now we found the minor of all the elements of given matrix. Next I am going to find cofactors. So cofactor already very simple. Listen. So cofactors. A11. So cofactor value of the first row first column value, that is cofactor of plus 1. So already we know the formula, minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into m11. So 1 plus 1 even number. So you will get plus. Listen, m11 value is what? M11 value is minus 12. So minus 12 is the cofactor of A11. So minus 12 is the answer. Next, A12. Listen, so minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into m12. From this, listen to this, minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into m12. From this, listen, so 1 plus 2, that is 3. Odd number. If you get odd number in its power, you will get negative sign, that is minus is there. Into m12 value is what? M12 plus 2. So minus should come, minus into plus 2. So minus 2 is the answer of this A12. Listen, A13. A13, this is equal to, listen to this, A13 equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. So this is what? 1 plus 3, 4. If you get for even number, it will change as plus. So plus value there is. And M13. M13 is what? So M13, that is 23. And A21. Cofactor of plus 4. Cofactor of plus 4 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, that is 3. If you get odd number, we will get negative sign, minus. So minus is there into M21. So here M21 value is what? M21 value is minus 16. So already we are getting one minus. So minus into minus 16. So this is equal to plus 16. Next value is A22. From the second row, second column. Listen, very simple. So minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2. If you get 2 plus 2, that is 4. If you get even number, it will change as, this minus will change as plus 1. Listen, into M22. M22 value is what? M22 value is minus 4. So minus 4 is the value of A22. Minus 4. Listen, next A23. A23. A23, this is equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is what? 5. That is odd number. If you get odd number, you will get negative sign. So into M23 minus into M23 value is what? Plus 14. So minus 14 is the answer. After this, A31. Cofactor of third row first column, that is cofactor of 3. Cofactor of 3, very simple. Listen, minus 1 whole power 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. That is even number. If you get even number, you will get positive sign. So into M31. M31 value is what? M31, that is minus 4. Minus 4 is the answer of A31. Next, A32. A32. Listen, minus 1 whole power 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is what? That is 5. If you get odd number, you will get another one minus. So into M32. So minus into M32 value is what? M32 value is minus 6. So minus into minus plus 6. Plus 6 is answer of A32. Next, A33. A33. This is equal to minus 1 whole power 3 plus 3 into M33. So 3 plus 3, that is 6. Even number. If you get even number in its power, again you will get positive sign. So positive into M33 value is what? M33 value is 11. So plus 11. Listen to this. So we have find that minor of all the 9 elements of this matrix, and the cofactor also we have find that. So this is minor values. So minor of the first row first column value m11, so minor of plus 1 is minus 12, minor of minus 3 is plus 12, minor of plus 2 is 23, minor of 4 is minus 16, minor of minus 1 is minus 4, minor of plus 2 is plus 14, minor of plus 3 is minus 4, minor of 5 is minus 6, minor of 2 is 11. From this cofactor, so cofactor of plus 1 is minus 12, cofactor of minus 3 is minus 2, cofactor of plus 2 is 23, cofactor of plus 4 is plus 16, cofactor of minus 1 is minus 4, cofactor of plus 2 is minus 14, cofactor of plus 3 is that is minus 4, cofactor of plus 5 is plus 6, cofactor of plus 2 is plus 11. So these are the required answers. Dear students, below this video we have given study material, YouTube link, question bank and self assessment question paper. So you need to, in the description we have given this, you need to write the sums in the separate note and write the self assessment test and send it to the school WhatsApp. Thank you.